Hello YouTube!
Hi guys.
We are back with a new video, and today we're going to be playing a game because we bought 150 square feet of bubble wrap, and we saw this in Walmart and we were just like, we gotta do something with this. So what we're going to do is we are going to wrap ourselves in it, and we're going to wrap our legs so that we can't move them. And we're going to blow up a balloon, and we're going to try and keep the balloon from touching the ground. Okay, we've suffered our first casualty and we haven't even started. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, we're finally ready.
Round one.
Oh!
I lost that one.
Maybe we should move those.
Maybe we should move those. You want to move them? Let's move them. What? What? How are you gonna get it down?
The chair.
Oh.
Calm down.
I'm calm. Oh. Oh. Hey. This is the wall. For the third round, we are going to be using 2 balloons this time, and I think we should limit ourselves to only being able to hit the balloon once before somebody else has to get it.
Good deal.
The other person. Okay.
I'm gonna beat you.
It's not competitive at all. Okay. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no, it's going. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Oh.
That's a bad word.
All right. Well, what are we calling this? The Mermaid Bubble Wrap Challenge?
Yeah,
Mermaid Bubble Wrap Balloon Challenge?
sure. Something like that.
That works.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. We had a lot of fun.
We did, but we're very sweaty now.
Yeah,
Disgusting.
and I have to shower and get clean again.
Yep.
And
It was worth it, babe. It was worth it.
we need to go to Starbucks.
We do need to go to Starbucks. We need to recuperate. Well, we hope you enjoyed watching whatever that's gonna turn out to be when we're done editing. So, yeah. I guess we'll see you guys next week.
Next week.
Yeah. Be sure to like, subscribe, and if you're feeling generous, share it. Goodbye. I'm gonna hop out of here.
Oh, babe, life is dandy. Bye, guys.
I give up. I give up on life. I am done.